not born, they are made. They are made just like anything else through hard work. Yes, I request our leader Dr. P. Sheikh Abdul Qadir to deliver the welcome note.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Kandipan sir, respected Registrar, Dr. D. Teresami sir, and the highly dignified Chief Guest of the day, Mr. Ram Sinta from Polaris. Dear staff members and participants from various institutions at the national level, and my dear students, it's my pleasant duty to welcome you all for this inauguration of the CyberQuest 2011, a national level technical symposium conducted by the Department of Computer Applications. This Department of Computer Applications has been conducting regularly every year this basis, making them to participate in paper presentation by way of contributing, motivating the research and contribution in research, encouraging them. This year, for the paper presentation, around 40 papers were received from various institutions, and team comprising of the technical committee team, with a lot of difficulties, they are selected, scrutinized, 13 numbers, and they are permitted to present the paper today. And along with this paper presentation, there are other events like debugging, web designing, and quiz. These are the other events. People are come from various institutions to participate and show their talents. So this department with the dedicated staff members, there are about 25 staff members here, 17 teaching and technical and administrative, remaining technical and administrative staff, and very well motivated students doing MCA degree program, MPhil program, and PhD in this department. This department is coming under the School of Computer Science and Information, along with the Computer Science and Engineering, Information Technology, and this Department of Computer Applications. And this department is involved in motivating the students and helping the institutions by way of organizing programs in a grand way, and which is useful in a useful way. As a highlight, as I have already delayed, I am cutting short of telling about the department and the highlight of that. But with the satisfaction that I have spoken with the chief guest, Mr. Ram Sinta, a veteran from the industry with more than 22 years of experience, and he is a senior vice president of, currently he is working in Polaris. Earlier he has got a lot of experience, which the report will be, the introduction you will hear from the people. So such an eminent person is here, and I have the satisfaction that I have expressed about the university and the department what is going on. Really the highlight of the department to say, the university is latest is provided with the 1 Gbps internet connectivity under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education to Information Communication Technology. MHRD has identified this university, and this bandwidth is now currently available in this university. And this department is very much involved in maintaining this and in doing this, establishing this connectivity in the campus. And another highlight to say for the university, there is a 1 crore wood data center with the state-of-art blade servers, rack servers, and storage area network with a 18 terabyte capacity is now currently established in the university. With virtualization and green computing is made possible, is working for 24/7 hours. Any people can contact them, they can get the information through this data center, the server that is available here. So students sitting in the hostel can continue their practical classes, streaming using the streaming server. They can do that service, get the service, and also the lecture notes prepared by the staff members and the NPTEL content that is also available in the streaming server under various folders of various departments. So these are the highlights of the university that is being carried out, and this department is very much involved in establishing this data center and in carrying out its regular activities. And another important activity is the website. So the website of this university is again maintained by the Department of Computer Application. As and when informations are coming, it is updated, and whatever the information is useful to the student community and staff community, that is posted onto this website. I'm very happy here to make worthy of our students. The students are very much motivated, as I said. The proof of that is in the Silver Jubilee celebration. Our students have very actively participated, and the 13 model projects they have created, and that is very well appreciated by the public, especially school children. So I would like to say thanks to all the members, and they will be congratulated and they will be getting the certificates in the valedictory function of this. So with these few words, for want of time, let me thank the Almighty for giving us this opportunity. Yeah, thank you, VC sir. So this year the theme of our conference is mobile computing. So mobile computing, along with other topics of IT topics, we have requested people to submit papers. And our focus is for this year is on mobile computing. And I'm thankful to our chief guest. He has agreed to come with a short notice, and I'm very much thankful to you, sir, for having agreed such a highly potential personality with us. And he's actually the senior vice president of data warehousing, expert in data warehousing and business intelligence. And the moment I said this theme is mobile computing, he readily said that I would like to give the hints on using business intelligence on mobile computing. Right, so that would be the keynote address he is going to present to you. And also I have requested him to say the current status on this IT field now, whether the recession is going to have any effect on it, or what is the status of that. So we are very eager to hear from them, and I take this opportunity to thank every one of the dignitaries here for having accepted our invitation and be with us for this inaugural function. I thank one and all, and I welcome you all. Thank you.